Good morning, Howard. All right, here is your 938 sitting on my F-head. Everything's looking good so far. Testing has proven that there are no difficulties at this point. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. Look down inside to see there's no leakage. Everything's good. Float is set correctly. Look at some numbers. Yeah, she's coming down. Yeah, I can make a little adjustment to it. All right. A little over 700 RPM on the idle. Well, is at 40 and a half. Need to adjust those points a little bit. Vacuum is almost 20. Looking really good, really good. And the fuel pressure, let's see, where did I hide that? Okay, there it is. Fuel pressure is about 3 3/4. Maybe a little bit high for this one, but hey, it's a mixture. All right, sir. I think you'll be happy with it. Thanks.